Okay, so we are going to the beach. Woo woo. What are we doing today? Jet ski. Whoa. I'm living holiday in the sun right now. Wow, I'm so excited. Yes.
Here we are at the jet ski launch. Oh my god, that. Does he do a cartwheel? Just try.
Do a cartwheel?
Yeah.
Beach hail. Okay, so we just got done with the beach. It was so much fun. Jet skiing was so much fun, right, Lori? Right?
What?
Wasn't it so much fun?
It was.
Jet skiing.
Yes.
Yeah, it was so much fun.
Sorry, I'm looking only at myself.
Huh?
It was fun. Lizzie tried to kill me a lot. But other than that, we're safe now. Thanks, Mom.
Welcome. Thank you. Look how red my face is.
Oh my gosh, she's so burnt.
Look
at those muscles.
It's really gross. Heyo. My face matches the short. Wow. Today seems like it's like so long, but it's only like 5 o'clock. It's not that late. We're gonna go to the store and get some aloe because yo girl needs some. She is editing a photo of me and her together. Can you edit all my photos? Make them look cute. Aww. This is what we need. And like not 15. We need more.